Hello, my name is Mohammed Nasir and I am the founder of Aman Digitals. Today I want to talk about some digital marketing. As you know, digital marketing is trending nowadays on Google also, and in all over the world, people are using digital marketing for their online businesses, for online selling, and for their branding and online branding, as you know, sir. So firstly, here's my name of my company, Aman Digitals. You can search it on website www.amandigitals.com. I am the founder of this company, and I am also selling the services of digital marketing. So first of all, I want to tell you that what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilize internet and online based digital technologies such as mobile phones and other useful materials like desktop computers and digital media platform like you can see on televisions, and you can see on desktop computers on mobile phones and other digital media and platforms to promote products, such as you can see the examples of digital experiences, how digital marketing works. So here there is a live examples. You can see multiple channels, integrated planning, content marketing is a very important topic regarding digital marketing. You can use content marketing in your websites, and another is SEO. SEO is a main tool which can help you to grow your website, and other is a paid search. You can use ads, you can use AdWords, Google AdWords, and more importantly is that you can use social media marketing. It's very important because nowadays Facebook is trending on higher side in social media, and in email marketing you can use different emails to do emails to the customers, and allow your brand to have a hype on that customers. So there is a overall diagram. Coming back to another thing is that importance of digital marketing tricks, which I recently checked on Google trending. Like I can see Google Trends. So if you see on Google Trends, you can sorry, I have to wait for a minute. So here is a Google Trend. As you all know about Google Trends, you can search anything on Google Trends to check how this work. You can say that this work is important all over the world. How this work is running, how this market is running all over the world. So I am writing this digital marketing. You can see the search term is digital marketing. So in this search term you can clearly see that the graph from 75% to 75, 80, 67, 84, 74. It's a data from past 12 months, I think so. And you can see that now in this situation on 11th of April he is now on 92%. So it's a very huge difference, and it's a very huge market of digital marketing. Every time it's played a very important role in our lives. You can use digital marketing on daily basis. You can even see digital marketing on your social media platform. If you're using Facebook, you can see the ads running on Facebook. You can see different website ads on Google search, They are doing SEO, they are doing content marketing, they are using blogs, you can read blogs. So it's a huge market. I prefer, you can see this on the number one side, 100% targeted people using nowadays digital marketing, or on the higher side is New York. So it's a sub-region such as, and you can see also cities. So District of Columbia is a second number, and here is a 5 top examples. So coming back to the topic, it's a very huge market, and it's have a very importance of digital marketing all over the world. So digital marketing also allows small businesses to compete with much smaller advertising budget. When managed effectively, it gives them lesser focus control. As you know, it's very easy to use media, and you can use social media, you can advertise your businesses. So this is a very small advertising budget. I can see that. I also have have a huge experience of social media marketing, and when manage this social media marketing, I experienced that we have to spend a lesser amount of money, but you can earn, you can provide you can grow, you can promote your businesses on a higher level to all over the world in very lesser amount. So when managed effectively, it gives them lesser focus control over where and how they spend their money. When you have this kind of control and data to spot decisions, you can make smarter ones. It's really correct that you can spot decisions, you can make decisions, you can work with your mind, and you can grow your business on a higher level through social media and through digital media, or in your country, wherever you live, and in all over the world. So I want to show some digital media, digital marketing types of jobs which you can do in your surroundings, which you can interest on your surroundings. If you are interested in digital marketing, that you have to grow your business, you have to put your applications through all over the world. So I want to show that what types of digital marketing jobs are there in the world, and what topic areas would they cover. So if you want a digital marketing, if you want to learn, if you want to earn from digital marketing, so there it is a very golden chance from your people, that you have to consider it, and you have to make a career out of it. So there are wide range of digital marketing jobs out there, meaning there are huge variety of career options. As I said that it's a very huge market, and it has a very important for your careers. So first of all is the video and audio production. As I am doing your video and audio productions, it's a digital marketing which I am giving you through this YouTube channel. Hope you like my video, and this kind of videos also you can promote to your social media channels. Secondly is the mobile marketing. You can SMS to your customer, and you can chat with your customer, you can sell your products, you can send your images of your products and whatever the price is. Third one is the search engine optimization. It's a very important topic, and it's really based on some of the careers of the people. Search engine optimization is a huge task nowadays. If New York are on the 100% on the side, so the main thing is that the New York people have a huge competition in digital marketing, and they are using daily basis SEO, and they are using SEO, and they are competing the world as usual. Fourth one is search engine marketing. As I said that earlier, that search engine marketing is going to be a very very important one on digital marketing, because there are a lot of businesses, and you have to be on top in the search engine. So it's a very important also, and it's a very important jobs, and it's a very important skill also. You can see that social media, as I talked earlier, it's very important also. E-commerce nowadays, online shopping, online businesses are running too fast. Online businesses, as you know, that there are some circumstances which no one can go outside, and no one can go for on shops, no one can go on markets. I would prefer that they have to sit at home, and they buy their favorite products and deliver online to their homes. So next one is email marketing. As I said earlier, email marketing also very important. Content marketing, you can learn, you can do through your website by making blogs. As you know, WordPress is very important also. I will show you all this topic, and I will cover in this my channel. I will cover all this topic regarding this, and another is web development and web designing, copywriting and editing, and analytics and business marketing. So I am covering all of these topics in my channel. So get ready to start a new journey of my channel. I hope you like my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. It's named as Aman Digitals, and I will also provide you the tips regarding you can earn from online, you can earn from whatever you want, from website development. You can all of these topics which I teach you today, and nextly if you want any of topic you want me to guide you, you will comment, and you will like my video. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for further videos.